Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Steam application. Once you're logged in, click on the Library tab at the top to view all of your games. Find and select the game for which you want to obtain the activation code. In this case, click on the Settings gear icon, then choose the Manage option from the drop-down menu. Within the Manage menu, you'll see an option called CD Keys. This section contains the activation code for the game which you might need to use with platforms like Ubisoft Connect. Once you have your activation code from Steam, head over to the Ubisoft Connect application or website. Click on your account icon located at the top left of the interface. This will bring up your account options. Look for the section where you can enter activation keys. Enter the activation code you obtained from Steam into the appropriate field on Ubisoft Connect and click the Activate button. This will link your game to your Ubisoft account, allowing you to access and play it through Ubisoft's platform you successfully retrieved, and use your Steam activation code to activate a game on Ubisoft Connect. So that's basically how you can find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.